Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 7 for SSC Board. Chapter number 6 Trigonometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from problem set 6. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answers of the following questions. Okay, question number 1. Sine into cosec theta is equal to, here some options are given, A 1, B 0, C 1 upon 2, D root 2. Now you know sine into cosec theta is equal to, sine cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine, and therefore sin theta into 1 upon sin theta is equal to 1, and hence correct alternative is 1, that is A. Okay. Question number 2. Cosec 45 degree is equal to, cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2. So root 2, so option B. Question number 3. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, so you know this identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and therefore correct answer is C. Now question number 4. When we see at a higher level from the horizontal line, angle formed is, so it is what above the horizontal, and object is what above the horizontal, and therefore it is angle of elevation. So correct answer is angle of elevation, option A. Okay. Question number 2. In if sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61, find the value of cos theta using trigonometric identity. Okay, solution. Sin theta is equal to 11 upon 61 given, and now you know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is an identity, and therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 120 upon 3721 is equal to 3721 minus 121 upon 3721 is equal to 3600 upon 3721, and hence cos theta is equal to 60 plus or minus 60 upon 21. Okay. Question number 3. If tan theta is equal to 2, find the value of other trigonometric ratio. Solution. Now here you don't use identities because you want all trigonometric ratios, so you apply this method. Okay, try to understand this method. Consider triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 and angle C is equal to theta. So this theta. So suppose this is a right angle triangle at B. This angle is theta, and then by means of given tan ratio find the two sides, and therefore tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC is equal to 2 upon 1, and hence AB is equal to 2k and BC is equal to k, where k is common multiple. Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, Pythagoras theorem, and therefore AC square is equal to 4k square plus k square is equal to 5k square, and hence AC is equal to root 5k. Now you know AC, so then means all sides of triangle you know, so that you can find all the trigonometric ratio. And therefore sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypo 2k upon root 5k. K get cancelled is equal to 2 upon root 5. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypo k upon root 5k is equal to 1 upon root 5, and tan theta is equal to 2 upon 1. And now then you find cosec, sec and cot, because you know cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos, and cot is reciprocal of tan. And therefore cosec theta is equal to root 5 upon 2, sec theta is equal to root 5 upon 1, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Question number 4. If sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, find the values of other trigonometric ratio. Now here use same method. Okay. Now consider triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90, angle C is equal to theta. Now therefore sec theta is equal to hypo upon adjacent side, that is AC upon BC, is equal to 13 upon 12 given, and therefore AC is equal to 13k and BC is equal to 12k, where k is common multiple. And now AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, Pythagoras theorem, and therefore AB square is equal to 169k square minus 144k square is equal to 25k square, and hence AB is equal to 5k. Now sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypo 5k upon 13k is equal to 5 upon 13. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypo 12k upon 13k is equal to 12 upon 13. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent. So adjacent side 5k upon 12k is equal to 5 upon 12. And now then you write down these three ratio. So cosec theta is equal to 13 upon 5, sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, and cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Okay. Question number 5. Prove that the following. Now question number 1. Sin sec theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta into bracket sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So solution. Left hand side is equal to sec theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta into bracket sec theta plus tan theta. Now simplify this. So this into this you do it. So therefore sec theta minus sec theta into tan theta into bracket sec theta plus tan theta. And now therefore sec theta minus tan this sec theta, that is equal to 1 upon cos and sin. So sin upon cos theta, and that is equal to tan theta. So therefore sec theta minus tan theta, and in second bracket sec theta plus tan theta. So you know this algebraic identity. So therefore sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.